Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building financial model of a nail salon business idea. So if you have this, if you want to start this business, so this series, this group of videos can help you to calculate what is the payback period, how much money you need to start this business. So I'll be creating this financial model from scratch, so you can just copy what I'm doing and create the model yourself. So maybe this video will be useful for you, this playlist will be useful for you, so you may you can give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can always help you. So today we are talking about the timing. So first of all, when you're building financial model, you have to trust the numbers that you get at the end of it. And in this business idea modeling, timing plays a very important part, because all these services, to produce all these services, takes time, and each service has its own duration in minutes. And if you start putting more services than your workplace can produce, then you will have a bigger revenue that you will never be able to reach when you start your business in reality. So you have to trust so one of the main features of financial model is that you have to trust the revenues you are calculating. And in this case, you have to introduce a parameter that which deals with time. So let's name it service duration in minutes. So let's for example, this will be 30 minutes duration. So the next will be this plus, for example, 3 minutes more. So we are introducing how much time does each service take us to produce. So these are the inputs. Copy, paste these numbers. So we are introducing this parameter that later, when we will be modeling the typical week, the schedule, we will be able to see how much time it takes us to produce all these services. And for example, if we see that it is unrealistic to produce this amount of services, for example, on Monday, we will start looking at the amount of services, and we will start deleting these services from Monday, and we'll be able to see the realistic revenue from Monday. And then you will because if you just introduce the parameter of average check, you won't be able to see how much time you need to produce all these services. So this is very important thing, because you will get the revenues that you will be trusting, and it is the priority target of any financial model. So first of all, we just set up the service duration in minutes. Then we are adding, as usual, coefficient to this parameter, coefficient to duration. So coefficient to duration, so the basic value is 100 as usual, so this is also the input. And then we will duration final in hours. So we set up this data in minutes, and then we will have the duration in hours. So how we will calculate that? So we're taking minutes multiplying on this coefficient, multiplying on the on-off button here, and dividing by 60 minutes in an hour. So here will be the duration of our services. So if we want to switch off, as usual, all the sum services from calculations, we will have zero prices here, direct expenses zeros here. Just make some corrections in spelling. Direct expenses, then duration here 0, and then all these data will affect cash flow, affect will later simple, discounted payback period, financial efficiency, cash flow statement, and so on. So this will be this will be a core of your financial model where you will be setting up different services. You'll be setting up the prices. You'll be setting up the direct expenses per service. You'll be setting up how much time does each service takes to produce, and then you will be able to see the realistic revenue. And the next video will be devoted to the schedule modeling. So this will be a very important lesson. So maybe this video was useful for you. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.